Best deals.
1. Cleaning brush. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last. 6-layer hard bristles for efficient cleaning. Tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges with confidence. Perfect for sweeping heavy debris with forward speed and efficiency. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chopper. Adjustable speed control switch. Regulate the chopping speed according to your preference. Low speed for a coarse finish and high speed for a fine finish. Designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs, and making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable blade for seamless chopping. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Laundry basket. The foldable design of this plastic laundry basket allows you to store it easily when not in use, maximizing space in small homes, apartments, or dorm rooms. Ideal for clothes storage in tight spaces. Whether in the bedroom, bathroom, or kids' playroom, the storage basket accommodates dirty clothes, toys, or household items. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Container. Upgrade your kitchen storage with this stainless steel oval capsule-shaped container, designed for both style and functionality. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wire dish cloth. Crafted from high-quality fabric and silver wire mesh kitchen towel, the silver scrubber for utensils is designed to last, resisting breakage and scrub features a diamond-shaped lattice weave surface with fine holes for rich foam and efficient water absorption. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Smoothie shaker. This portable blender is easy to operate with just one button. Tap the switch twice to turn on the device. While working, shake the bottle at 45 degrees to better mix it. The one-time stirring time is 30 seconds. The smoothie maker blender can be opened up and down. Open the lid to drink, and open the bottom to clean. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Portable fan. With 3 speed settings, you can adjust the intensity to your liking, ensuring a refreshing breeze whenever you need it. Whether you are lounging by the pool or working out at the gym. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Car wash mitt. The ultra-soft microfiber fibers gently lift dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface, ensuring a thorough and scratch-free cleaning experience. Made from high-quality materials, our wash mitt is reusable and machine washable, allowing for countless uses. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Idli steamer. Experience the joy of making restaurant-quality, soft, and fluffy idlis at home. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Containers. Perfect silicone container set for kids' lunch boxes, leftovers, takeout or as meal prep container. Each container is great to keep dry or wet foods like cereal, fruits, vegetables, baby foods fresh. Each container is made of BPA-free food-grade silicone that is non-toxic, tasteless, odorless, non-stick and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Waffle maker. Non-stick plates easily release your waffles and make for easy cleaning too. No heavy scrubbing, elbow grease, or dishwasher is needed. The non-stick surface on this waffles machine can be easily wiped clean after each use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Hook. This wall hooks can be used for hanging spoon, towels, gloves, knife and fork, pan, pot, keys in your kitchen, bathroom door, bedroom closets and other places. Create valuable storage space and save a whole cabinet space with this rail installed on your wall. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Ice cream mold. The BPA-free silicone popsicle molds ensures no harm to your homemade popsicles, perfectly matches the reusable plastic popsicle sticks in keeping you and your family healthy. Mold feature an innovative stackable design that saves storage space in the freezer. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Casserole. Crafted from high-quality, lead-free tempered glass, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing harmful chemicals from leaching into your food. Enjoy healthier, more flavorful meals every time. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Garlic peeler. Peel garlic cloves in seconds, just roll back and forth, and the skins slip right off. Keeps your hands clean and odor-free. The textured design inside the tube grips garlic cloves firmly. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Dish drying rack. Allows you to store various types of kitchenware such as bowls, plates, knives, wine glasses, pots, and pans. This spacious dish drying rack is ideal for families of 3 to 4 members. Rack is made from premium stainless steel, ensuring long-term durability without rusting or deforming. It keeps your countertop neat and organized at all times. It meets all your needs for drying and organizing utensils. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Soap dispenser. Crafted from durable ceramic with a smooth stoneware matte finish, these accessories feature an abstract human face design, adding a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Casserole pot. Features 3 bonded layers, stainless steel on the outside and inside, with an aluminum core, ensuring even heat distribution for consistent cooking and enhanced durability for long-lasting performance. Experience smooth, hassle-free cooking with cookware designed for optimal heat distribution and easy food release. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Closet organizers. Keep your clothes neatly organized with storage bags for clothes, wardrobe organizers, and cloth storage bags. Designed for a perfect fit, these organizers provide ample space to store and protect your essentials while maximizing wardrobe efficiency. This multipurpose organizer is ideal for storing accessories, magazines, notebooks, gadgets, towels, diapers. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Beverage dispenser. No more anxiously testing drinks on your wrist or dealing with, "It's too hot" meltdowns. The lead-mounted thermometer shows exact temperature, up to 50 degrees Celsius, so you know it's safe for little mouths. Premium borosilicate glass handles everything from frozen smoothies, -20 degrees Celsius, to warm honey water, 150 degrees Celsius. One less thing to stress about in your already full day. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Salad maker. Cold press slow juicer gently squeezes the ingredients, preserving all essential nutrients and enzymes, which produces fresh and healthy juice. This product comes with low noise, less than 45 decibels, and low vibrations, and has high performance DC motor. This juicer is having 20 minutes continuous working time. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cleaning brush. Made of high quality PP material, stainless steel and iron, while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Featuring a tough bristle brush head for deep cleaning tiles, floors, walls, toilets, and tubs, a gentle sponge head for delicate surfaces, and a soft microfiber pad for mirrors, glass, and sinks. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Chopping board. Made from globally certified recycled cellulose, this cutting board is a sustainable choice for eco-conscious kitchens and supports a circular economy. Grooved juice. Channels help keep your countertop clean during food prep. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Oil diffuser. Its ability to neutralize odors while emitting refreshing aromas makes it an indispensable home fragrance product. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Kitchen knife set. This 8-piece stainless steel professional kitchen knife set, precision sharp knives and stylish rotating holder. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Mixer grinder. Flux motor designed to deliver high-performance grinding, ergonomic design of jar handles for easy operations, innovative stone pounding technology which recreates the traditional stone pounding effect on dry ingredients to deliver authentic taste, uniquely designed blunt pounding blade with thick edges which replicates pounding effect on dry ingredients. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Electric kettle. Boil water or milk for baby food or senior citizen. Prepare tea, coffee, soups, stews and any liquid food with ease, all in one compact appliance. The spacious 1.2 L capacity is perfect for cooking meals for one or for the entire family. Save time and energy with the ability to prepare larger quantities in a single batch. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Basket. Effortlessly organize kitchen essentials with this versatile storage basket, featuring a compact design and convenient wheels for easy access under sinks or in cabinets. Simplify meal prep by keeping utensils, pots, and spice jars neatly organized. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Glass jars. The food-grade glass jars come with split-type sealing lids, which ensure airtightness and leak-proof, making them perfect for preserving and canning. Can be used for canning or storing various foods or daily necessities, such as sauces, desserts, spices, honey, fruits, spices, pickles, candles. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Storage organizer. Made of durable high-quality plastic rack and thickened stainless steel pipe with protective coating to create a stable structure, supporting heavy load. Easy to assemble with no tools required. Under cabinet storage rack come with flexible bottom sliding basket drawers with handles for easy access in limited space. 2.5 inches height edge board prevents items from falling out, used for storing and organizing cleaning supplies, bath items, kitchen bottles, spice rack bottles. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Gas stove. Built to last with a sleek, heavy-duty stainless steel design that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. High-efficiency burners ensure even heating, faster cooking, and better fuel savings for a smooth cooking experience. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Pasta maker. Comes with a convenient cleaning brush and cloth, making it easier than ever to keep your machine spotless. No more struggling with stubborn dough residue, simply use the included tools to clean your machine thoroughly, ensuring long-lasting performance and cleanliness. Unlike other pasta makers, our bonus cleaning kit saves your time and hassle. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Oil spray bottle. Crafted with durability in mind, spray bottle for olive oil is built to withstand regular use. Its reliable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Casserole. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Mats. Extra soft microfiber fabric helps save your floors from dripping water while you are stepping out of the bath, shower, or getting ready by the sink. Moisture is trapped in the mat's deep pile, allowing the rug to dry quickly and cleanly. Moisture is trapped in the mat's deep pile, allowing the rug to dry quickly and cleanly. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Drawer. The multifunctional under-sink organizer can be used as bathroom toiletries storage, kitchen spice rack or office supplies rack. Perfect for under the sink, cabinet, countertop, food pantry, kitchen, bathroom, garage, and laundry room. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Plastic stool. Easily stackable to save valuable floor space. Perfect for small living areas, this feature allows you to store multiple stools without clutter. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these stools are built to withstand daily use. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Electric spin scrubber. Cut your cleaning time in half. This high-speed electric scrubber effortlessly removes dirt, soap scum, and grime from bathrooms, tiles, tubs, grout, and even cars. Enjoy long-lasting power with a 2500 mAh battery, fully charged in 3 to 4 hours for up to 90 minutes of use. 8 versatile brush heads tackle every surface with bristle brushes, sponges, and cloth pads, perfect for both delicate and tough stains. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Water tumbler, with its sleek finish, is definitely a must-have for the health and fitness enthusiasts. Is 100% leak-proof with the snap-on lid, making it convenient. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Idli cooker. All-in-one multi-purpose premium quality heavy-gauge copper bottom and vessels made from 22-gauge stainless steel. Multi-utility kadai combining the properties as food-grade, rust-proof, leak-proof. Modern design engineering to keep your cooking time minimal. The stainless steel material used with copper coating for base for elegant look and premium feel even when not in use. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Bottle dispenser holder. With its wall-mounted design, this dispenser rack keeps your bottles neatly arranged and easily accessible, helping to declutter your shower room or washroom. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Hand blender. Designed with a power of 1500 watts, which allows optimal crushing in cycles of more than 5 minutes to achieve homogeneous and fine results in a short time. The blades of this hand blender are stainless steel, a material that stands out for its resistance. Product link is given in the 42nd link. 43. Vacuum sealer machine. Machine uses advanced Globofish technology for fast, consistent suction and airtight sealing. Its easy controls and clear instructions make vacuum sealing quick and simple, even for beginners. This vacuum packet sealer machine offers multiple settings to meet different needs. Temp adjusts the sealing temperature. Normal vac is for most foods. Soft vac handles delicate items. Pulse provides manual control for moist foods. Power vac delivers strong suction for heavy-duty tasks. Seal creates a seal without vacuuming. And stop halts the process when needed. Additionally, the external pipe allows for easy sealing of various sizes of bags, containers, and canisters, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer. Vacuum sealer's upper lid is removable for safe, hassle-free cleaning of the lower part. Its small, lightweight design allows for convenient storage in tight spaces like drawers. Product link is given in the 43rd link.